In this short video, what we will be looking at is the different types of machine learning. So there are actually three major types of machine learning, and we can categorize them as supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So these we will be talking about each of these and what kind of algorithms are used in each of these in our lecture series. But for this short video, if we have to explain it in a very simplistic manner, supervised learning is something like a teacher coming to a class and telling students, okay, this is how you should learn. So the teacher would give questions, teacher would give the correct answers, so the students would be looking at the questions and understanding the questions and then looking at the answer and figuring out, okay, for this type of question, this type of answers are the correct ones, this type of questions, these are the correct ones, like that. So there's supervision, and at the end of the day, when the exam comes, students will be able to get the questions and they will be, from what they learn, they know, okay, for this type of questions I need to write this type of answer. So that is the essence of supervised learning. On the unsupervised learning side, it's the easiest way to explain this is, think of a child and we give the child different colors and different shapes of toys. So there will be cars, vans, and teddy bears and different things. And what we will ask him to do is, okay, group them in some order. So he will either group them based on, okay, these are the vehicles, these are the teddy bears, these are something else, or he might group them using the shapes or colors or combination of those. So different type of things can be used. So essentially what we are doing is um, uh, creating some kind of groups. uh, it goes beyond that, but for this short video, think of it as like that. So there are no correct like questions and answers, but there are some things, and we need to be able to the machine learning algorithm should be able to group them in a particular way, a meaningful way. That meaning might not be evident for us, but if it is if it is clear for the algorithm, we are okay with it, because when a new thing comes, he will be using that logic to put that new thing into a particular group that he has already created. Now on the last side of thing is the reinforcement learning. This is kind of in between machine learning and artificial intelligence, because here there's no teacher or anything. What we do is, think of a robot. The easiest way to understand this is, think of a robot. We don't teach him anything. We just take that robot and put it into some environment, and then we just ask him to, okay, go, and it will start going, and it doesn't know about anything. It will just hit a wall and it will realize, okay, I hit something and hitting something is bad, so I shouldn't do that. So what should I have done? Like, because I turned at this point, I hit the wall, so next time I'm not going to turn at that point. Or because I slowed down at this particular point, I fell off the bridge, so I should be able, I next time I should try going faster so I can jump over the bridge. Like that, what it will do is, it will do something, look at the result, and it will figure out, okay, is this the best thing that I should have done? Then it will do it again, different way. So essentially it will do try and error. um, so it's also called reward and punishment learning. So it will decide to do something, it will get a reward or a punishment, and based on that it will adjust what he is doing. So essentially this is how we learn also. We, in life, we do something and it will turn out to be a good thing or a bad thing, and based on that experience, we will do it better next time. So we'll try another thing next time, like that. So these are the three main things in machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. And we will have a lot of lengthy lectures on each of them. For now, these are the three main things.